Superstar Salman Khan and his fan following never ceases to surprise us. Fans of all ages adore the bhai, and we must say that the Chulbul Pandey does reciprocate it in his own way. One such fan is the little daughter of Salman Khan's bodyguard. The little one expressed a fervent desire to meet her hero Salman, and Daddy Dear couldn't help but do his bit to bring a smile on his little angel's face. He then approached Salman, and when the Dabangg Khan heard of this, he promptly invited the little one over to the sets of Tiger Zinda Hai. The little munchkin was absolutely delighted as she was carried by Salman. Indeed, this little lady is quite impressed by Salman. What do you think of this cute picture? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Well, let us tell you that the upcoming Bahubali 2 has already gathered a lot of information and interest to the point of viewers feeling that Prabhas is even more popular than Salman, and it is not a myth. It is a reality. The fact that thousands come to watch him in act during shoots is one proof, and then the fact that the production designer Sabu Cyril, who has worked with all the bigwigs of Bollywood, also endorses it. Sabu, who has worked with Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan, Akshay Kumar and so many others, says that he has never seen such a fan following as he has and feels it is worth it, as Prabhas is really a larger-than-life person for many. As for S.S. Rajamouli, the director who is often said to be the James Cameron, we can only salute the combination of Prabhas and Rajamouli and still wonder where their popularity power comes from. Shah Rukh is famous for his parties and house ceremonies, and one of them is a private show that he is going to have wherein the YouTube sensation Lily Singh is going to perform. Whoa! Isn't that cool? And cooler is the fact that she's a person who has many views and people love her. The YouTube channel has become the coolest one for all kids, and it would really be more so for Shah Rukh's kids if this happens. Lily Singh has a channel where she makes people laugh and also enjoy her overall performances. Lily would be in India on a 3-day city tour, and Shah Rukh is gonna host it at this time. We adore her for her spunk, charm and also for being such a great entertainer. What about you?
हाँ, फिल्म अभी एडिटिंग पे है, फाइनल स्टेजेस पे है और तैयार हो जाएगी. आई थिंक वेरी सून ट्रेलर रिलीज करेंगे, फर्स्ट लुक रिलीज करेंगे एंड देन वील स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट. हाँ, बिल्कुल बिल्कुल बिल्कुल. आई थिंक आई एम वेरी हैप्पी. टाइगर का सेकंड जर्नी शुरू हुआ है एंड इट्स गुड टू सी कटरीना एंड सलमान बैक together, and I think Ali's also chosen some beautiful locations to continue with what we've done in the first part, and I think it'll be as exciting if not more. मेरे को एग्जैक्ट डिटेल्स प्रोडक्शन के नहीं मालूम, लेकिन आई थिंक टाइगर ऐसा फ्रेंचाइज है जो ऑब्वियसली बहुत ट्रैवल करना पड़ेगा. आई थिंक कम से कम 3-4 कंट्रीज में तो शूट करेंगे. आई मीन एक था टाइगर 5 कंट्रीज में शूट करा था हमने. they'll shoot in as many countries, I think.
Rushal is right here with us. Tell me, how big Salman Khan fan are you?
अरे भाई का अपन बहुत बड़ा फैन है. भाई की पिक्चर जब लगती है ना, पहला शो अपन जाता है पिक्चर देखने के लिए. भाई का शो कभी मिस नहीं करते हैं अपन. और भाई अभी कैटरीना कैफ के साथ में आ रहा है. अपनी पुरानी वाली भाभी वापस आ रही है ना भाई.
So you have officially made it that पुरानी वाली भाभी. So what about the Katrina Kaif and Salman Khan का जो केमिस्ट्री है?
बिल्कुल आना ही चाहिए भाई. पहले कैसी डिमांड थी भाई, सलमान खान कैटरीना भाई बुल्टू धमाल मचा देते थे. अब ये फॉरेनर आ रही है ना, तो अपने को कुछ अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है भाई अपन कैटरीना के साथ में भाई थे ना भाई, तो वो कड़क मसालेदार पिक्चर बनती थी भाई साहब.
I am sure this message should literally be conveyed to Salman. And last but not the least, आपकी भी बहुत सारी ऐसी दाढ़ी बना के रखी है आपने. पर सलमान खान ने इस मूवी जो क्रिसमस पे एक ट्रीट आने वाली हम सभी के लिए, टाइगर जिंदा है, जो कि एक था टाइगर की सीक्वल है, उसमें भी उन्होंने बिल्कुल ऐसा बियर्ड सा लुक रखा है. आपने देखा है वो?
हाँ बिल्कुल देखा है.
पसंद आया आपको?
बिल्कुल पसंद आया. भाई की मूंछ ऐसी है भाई उसमें. और इतनी कड़क निकले रही है ना, बहुत कड़क निकले रही है भाई.
Alright, thank you so much, Tushar, for participating with us.
Farhan Sabir, the winner of The Voice India Season 2, has made Delhi and the whole of India proud. The talented singer is a die-hard fan of Salman Khan and has a dream to play back for his dear Chulbul Pandey. Yes, the 19-year-old revealed, "I plan on completing my studies and I look forward to come back to Mumbai and make my career in the Bollywood industry. I dream of doing playback singing for Salman Khan. I am a huge fan of his." As a winner, Sabir earned 25 lakhs as a prize along with a Maruti Suzuki Alto K10, and we must say that he does deserve it. Coming back to Salman Khan, we all know that the Sultan loves to promote new and deserving talent, and we are sure that if he hears of Sabir's desire, the gig star will definitely do something for him. Well, so are you excited to hear Sabin croon for Salman? Let us know by commenting in the section below. Karan Johar has come on the wrong side of Aishwarya Rai. Yes, if you thought that Ae Dil Hai Mushkil has brought Ash and Karan together, then you are wrong. For Ash apparently is quite upset at Karan for not having attended her father's funeral. So why did Karan not attend? He says his kids are really sick from the time they were born. Yes, didn't we tell you that the veteran director has had twins through surrogacy? Well, we really don't know the reason, but Karan and Ash are not on good terms. Ash is obviously miffed and we understand her predicament. However, we still wonder if Karan would take time out and visit Ash. We do remember that Aishwarya was acclaimed for her role in Ae Dil Hai Mushkil, and we only want to see more than this. Do let us know what you feel about this no-joke between Ash and Karan. Superstar Salman Khan is still in Austria while his co-star and former lover Katrina Kaif is back in India. So is the bhai missing her? Well, it doesn't seem so. Here we see Salman all smiles and he poses with a crew member who seems to be enamored by the Dabangg Khan. Salman is seen sporting a rugged look and exudes an air of stardom as he smiles easily at the camera. Fans in Austria are thrilled to have the Sultan in their country, and they often drop into the sets to get a glimpse of their superstar and click selfies with him. Well, the Chulbul Pandey gladly complies and gives all his fans memories for life. While we bring more news from the happenings of Tiger Zinda Hai, share your feedback on this picture by commenting in the section below. Well, Salman and Katrina sure are sharing a great bond between themselves. Yes, they are in Austria for the shoot of upcoming Tiger Zinda Hai directed by Ali Abbas Zafar. This is the sequel to the Kabir Khan flick Ek Tha Tiger. So when this picture of Salman and Katrina looking into each other's eyes hit the social media, everyone thought that Lulia would be pretty jealous about this new bonding. But she liked the post and assured everyone that she is very much friendly with Sallu and not jealous of his relations with his girls. Well, for starters, this is a major turnaround for when everyone thought that Salman and Lulia are a pair and then started talking about Salman and Katrina. Here is the new way that Lulia is quite fine with their relation. So where is it all headed and what is gonna happen next is the question. Do let us know your opinion. Look who was spotted at the airport. Yes, it is Katrina Kaif. Unbelievable. But hold on, where is Salman Khan? He simply isn't to be seen. Well, news is that Katrina Kaif has returned alone from Austria, where she was shooting with Salman for the upcoming espionage thriller Tiger Zinda Hai. While the news of the two being together did spark a lot of rumors, Katrina has not returned to humor the gossip mongers. Then why has she returned back within 12 days? Well, for the simple reason that her stay was planned just 12 days wherein she was supposed to shoot a romantic ballad, Dil Diya Kala, and having completed the shoot, the British beauty is back in India while the team completes the schedule in Austria. 12 days with Salman seemed to have brought a glow on her face, and Katrina was all smiles as she emerged from the airport. Take a look at her glowing face and share your comments in the section below. The high-power superstar Salman Khan and Katrina Kaif going to Austria was food for gossip mongers, but surprisingly, just as soon as it all started, Katrina returned back to India unexpectedly, and that too without Salman Khan. While we were wondering if all was well, we got to know that Katrina's return was not unexpected as per the schedule. The diva was in Austria where she was shooting with her former lover Salman Khan, but it seems her schedule in Austria was limited to just one song. But don't be too disappointed. The special romantic number Dil Diya Galla is one special number which will make your heart melt. The love between the two is evident and is absolutely heart-wrenching. Don't you think so? Let us know what you think about it by commenting in the section below.